Hello everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wondered how interior designers make spaces look so effortless and stylish, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to talk about how to decorate like a pro. Whether you're redecorating your entire home or just looking to refresh a room, these tips will help you create a space that's beautiful, functional, and uniquely yours. Decorating your home might seem overwhelming at first, but trust me, with the right approach, it can be an exciting and rewarding experience. I'm going to break things down step by step, and you'll soon feel confident in your ability to transform any room into a space that feels both polished and inviting. So, grab a notebook, get comfy, and let's dive into some expert home decor ideas that you can easily apply to your own home. Start with a clear vision. Before you start decorating, it's important to have a clear vision of what you want your space to look and feel like. Think about how you want the room to function, the mood you want to create, and what kind of atmosphere you want to enjoy. Are you looking for a cozy and inviting living room, a modern and sleek bedroom, or maybe a peaceful, minimalist kitchen? Spend some time imagining the style you want to achieve. Look for inspiration online or in magazines. Create a mood board or Pinterest board with images that capture the vibe you're going for. Having a clear vision from the start will help you make decisions about color schemes, furniture, and accessories, and will ensure your space feels cohesive and well thought out. Focus on the layout first. One of the most important steps in decorating any space is getting the layout right. A well-organized layout can make a room feel more spacious and functional, while a poorly arranged room can feel cramped and uncomfortable. Start by measuring the dimensions of the room and taking note of the placement of doors, windows, and other architectural features. This will help you understand the flow of the space and how best to arrange the furniture. If you're unsure about how to arrange your furniture, there are plenty of online room planners and apps that can help you visualize different layouts before you start moving anything. Once you have a basic layout in mind, think about the traffic flow. You want to make sure people can move easily around the room without obstacles or awkwardly placed furniture. Try to create conversation areas or zones that work for your family's lifestyle. For example, in a living room, you might want to arrange the seating around a focal point, like a fireplace or TV, ensuring that everyone feels included in the conversation. Choose a color scheme. Color plays a huge role in home decor. The right colors can set the tone of a room, make it feel larger or cozier, and even affect your mood. When decorating like a pro, you should always start with a color scheme. But don't worry, you don't have to use bold, bright colors to make a statement. In fact, neutral tones often work best in home decor because they're versatile, calming, and timeless. Start with a neutral base color for the walls and larger furniture pieces. Shades of white, gray, beige, or soft pastels are great options. Once you have a neutral base, you can add accent colors through accessories like throw pillows, rugs, and artwork. Use colors that complement each other for a balanced look. For example, if you have light gray walls, you can add pops of color with navy blue or mustard yellow accessories. Don't be afraid to play with textures as well. Mixing materials like wood, metal, and fabric can add depth and interest to a room, even when sticking to a simple color palette. ADD statement furniture pieces. If you want your home to look professionally decorated, it's important to invest in a few statement furniture pieces. These are the items that will immediately catch the eye and make the space feel unique. Statement pieces don't have to be huge or expensive, but they should have a bold design or interesting details that set them apart from the rest of the furniture. Consider adding a statement piece like a colorful armchair, a vintage coffee table, or a unique sideboard. These items don't have to match everything else in the room, but they should complement the overall style. When you choose statement pieces, think about the room's scale. A large, heavy piece of furniture might overwhelm a small room, while smaller pieces might get lost in a larger space. Create a focal point. Every well-decorated room has a focal point, or a central feature that draws the eye. It could be a beautiful piece of artwork, a striking piece of furniture, or even a feature like a fireplace or an oversized window. Whatever your focal point is, make sure the room is designed to highlight it. For example, in a living room, the focal point might be the fireplace. Arrange your seating so that it faces the fireplace, creating a sense of balance. In a bedroom, the focal point could be the bed. You can make it stand out even more by adding a statement headboard, luxurious bedding, or a bold piece of art above it. If you don't have a natural focal point in the room, create one by introducing a statement piece, like a large mirror or a colorful rug. A strong focal point helps tie the room together and ensures the space feels balanced and cohesive. Use art and accessories to add personality. Artwork and accessories are the finishing touches that bring your decor to life. When decorating like a pro, it's all about choosing pieces that reflect your personal style and add interest to the space. Start with artwork, whether it's a large abstract painting, a gallery wall of framed photos, or a collection of vintage posters. Art can help define the look and feel of a room. Choose pieces that resonate with you and complement the color scheme and furniture. In addition to artwork, accessorize with items like throw pillows, rugs, candles, and plants. These pieces not only add visual interest, but also make the space feel cozy and lived in. Be mindful of balance. Don't overcrowd a space with too many items. Instead, focus on a few carefully chosen accessories that enhance the overall design. Pay attention to lighting. Lighting is often an overlooked element of home decor, but it can have a huge impact on how a room feels. Proper lighting can make a room feel warm, inviting, and functional, while poor lighting can make it feel dark and uncomfortable. Start with a mix of light sources. Layer your lighting with ambient light from overhead fixtures or recessed lights, task lighting from lamps or sconces, and accent lighting from floor lamps or LED strips. Consider using dimmers so you can adjust the light based on the mood and time of day. If you have a statement light fixture, like a chandelier or pendant light, make sure it fits the scale of the room and complements the other decor. Lighting not only enhances the look of a room, but also helps to set the atmosphere, so it's important to get it right. Add texture to your design. To make your space feel rich and inviting, you need to add texture to your decor. Texture adds depth and warmth, making a room feel more dynamic and cozy. You can play with different textures in a variety of ways. Start with fabrics. Soft fabrics like velvet, linen, and cotton can add a tactile element to your space. Consider using these fabrics in your throw pillows, curtains, or upholstery. Layering different textures in your furniture and accessories will give the room a more luxurious and well-curated feel. Wood, metal, and stone are other great materials to consider. A wood coffee table, a marble countertop, or metal light fixtures all add texture and contrast to the room. By combining soft fabrics with harder materials, you'll create a well-balanced and inviting space. Conclusion, and there you have it, your guide to decorating like a pro. By following these expert tips, you'll be able to transform your space into a beautifully decorated room that feels both functional and stylish. Remember, decorating is all about creating a space that feels true to you, so don't be afraid to experiment and have fun with the process. Let me know in the comments which tip you're excited to try out in your own home. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.